Hello and welcome back to Lesson 4. 你怎么样? 你怎么样? Again, let's recap on the previous lessons. How do you say this in Chinese? 这 and this is? 这是 And how do you say my? 我的 And how do you say this is my dad? 这是我的爸爸 And how would you say this is my mum? 这是我的妈妈 And this is my older brother. 这是我的哥哥 And how do you say who in Chinese? 谁 And how do you say who is this? 这是谁 Lastly, how would you say nice to meet you? 认识你很高兴 So in today's lesson, we're going to strengthen what we already know and build new knowledge. As usual, let's write down the key words for today's lesson. So our first word is 哪 means which. 哪国 means country or kingdom. 国 Next we have 人 means person. 人 Putting that together, 你是哪国人 means where are you from? Literally, you is which country person. 你是哪国人你是哪国人英国 means the UK. 英国 The ying here means hero and guo means country. So the UK is known as the hero country. 英国 中国 means China. 中国 The zhong means middle. So China is literally the middle country. 中国美国 The 美 here means pretty or beautiful. So America is the pretty country. 美国 So altogether we have 英国 the UK, 中国 China, and 美国 America. 你呢 means and you. So let's start today's conversation. Let's listen to it first, slowly. 你好，你是哪国人？你好，我是英国人。我是中国人。认识你很高兴。So let's break down that conversation. 你好，你是哪国人？ means hello, where are you from? 你好，我是英国人。你呢 means hello, I am British. And you? 我是中国人 means I am Chinese. 认识你很高兴 as you already know means nice to meet you. Let's listen to that again. 你好，你是哪国人？你好，我是英国人。你呢？我是中国人。认识你很高兴。Now play the part of B. Say, hello, I am British, and you? Say, nice to meet you. Now play the part of A. Say, hello, where are you from? I am Chinese. Okay, let's listen to that one last time at normal speed. 你好，你是哪国人？你好，我是英国人。你呢？我是中国人。认识你很高兴。Excellent job. Before we wrap up, let's make some of our own sentences. How would you say, my dad is British? That's right. 我的爸爸是英国人。我的爸爸是英国人。How would you say, my older brother is Chinese? "我的哥哥是中国人。And how would you say, my mum is American? 我的妈妈是美国人。How would you say, he is Chinese? 他是中国人。他是中国人。And how would you say, she is British? 他是英国人。他是英国人。Okay, that's all for today. Stay tuned for the next lesson, where we'll be making questions that you'll be able to ask Chinese speakers. Again, make sure to complete the worksheets provided. 再见。